Today we're diving into the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 digital camera bundle, a fantastic package designed to elevate your photography experience with ease and style. This exclusive bundle includes everything you need for capturing sharp, high-quality images and videos, featuring a black point-and-shoot camera case, a Transcend 64GB UZ SD memory card, a high-speed SD USB card reader, a tri-fold memory card wallet, and clear LCD screen protectors. The camera itself boasts a 27mm wide-angle lens with 4x optical zoom, a 2.7-inch LCD screen, and 16 megapixels resolution, allowing you to shoot stunning 1080 Full HD videos and photos with ease. Powered by just 2 Ah batteries, the FZ45 is perfect for on-the-go photography, ensuring you never miss a moment. The wide-angle lens is ideal for group shots, giving you plenty of space to fit everyone in the frame without having to step back. With its user-friendly features, this bundle makes a perfect gift for both beginners and seasoned photographers alike. So, whether you're capturing family memories or exploring new landscapes, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 digital camera bundle has got you covered for every occasion.